Hello there, this is Pre-Algebra Unit 3, Test A. Make sure you put your name on the front, as well as your class period. There are several formulas. Slope is m, that's equal to change in y over change in x. It's equal to rise over run, and it's equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I would strongly suggest that you write this formula when you use it and label whatever y sub 2, y sub 1 are, and x sub 2 and x sub 1 if it gives you two sets of coordinates. Your slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And then for direct variation, you have y equals kx, where k is the constant of variation. So there are four functional relationships represented in this square. And this is problem number 1. The first one has a table 0, 6, 1, 11, 2, 16, 3, 21. The second is y equals 6x. The third is y equals 3x plus 2. And the fourth is just a graph. And the key things on that, there's positive slope, it doesn't go through the origin, all sorts of cool stuff. And then, which of these functions represent non-proportional situations? So, the answers, A is 1, 4, B is 1, 2, 3, C is 3, 4, and D is 1, 3, 4. Pause the video while you work it. So here's number 2. So a store sells a 5-pound bag of apples for $4.60. Which of the following is not an equivalent price per pound of apples? So you look at F. F is a 20-pound bag for $18.40. G is a 12-pound bag for $11.04. H is a 7-pound bag for $6.44. And J is a 15-pound bag for $9.20. So pause the video and work this. Number 3, which graph best represents the equation y equals 1.4x plus 2? So you have 4 possibilities, and you're looking for y equals 1.4x plus 2. Pause the video, work the problem. Which equation best describes a relationship between x and y in the table below? Of course, this is problem 4. So the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate, x is 0, y is 5. When x is 6, y is 7. When x is 12, y is 9. And when x is 15, y is 10. Your 4 choices. You have y equals 3x plus 5. You have g, y equals 1/5 x plus 3. You have in h, y equals 1/3 x plus 5, and j, y equals x plus 5. Pause the video, work the problem. Number 5, a 7-inch candle burns at a rate of 2 inches per hour. Which equation represents the relationship between y, the height of the candle in inches, and x, the number of hours the candle burns? Pause the video, work the problem. Number 6, the equation given below models a proportional relationship. It's in the form y equals kx, so y is equal to 1/4 x. Which of the answer choices below does not model the same relationship? So F, you notice it goes through the origin. G, y varies directly as x, so when x is 12, y is 3. For the table, the coordinates are 0, 0, 2 comma 0.5 or 1/2, 4 comma 1, and 6 comma 1.5 or 6 comma 5/2. No, 3/2. Sorry. The last one is 6 comma 3/2. And then for J, y varies directly as x. And when x is 3, y is 12. Pause that video and get busy on number 6. Number 7. On number 7, the table below models a function. You have xy coordinates, -3, -2, 3, 2, 9, 6, 15, 10, and 21, 14. It says which equation can also be used to model this function. For A, it's y equals 2/3 x, B, y equals 2x plus 3, and C, y equals 3x plus 2, and then you have D, y equals 1.5x. Number 8, the slope and the y-intercept of the line in the given graph is what you're looking for on number 8. So choice F, slope is 2, y-intercept is 2. For G, slope is 1/2, y-intercept is 2. For H, slope is 2, y-intercept is -4. And for J, slope is 1/2, y-intercept is -4. Pause video, work the problem. 9. A scientist decided to investigate the growth of bacteria in a warm environment. He recorded his data in a table. What is the rate of change of the bacterial growth? So you have hours, which is x, and bacteria, which is y. So your table is 2, 500, 4, 1000, 6, 1500, and 10, 2500. So your choices, A is 1000 bacteria per hour, B is 500 bacteria per hour, C is 250 bacteria per hour, and D is 100 bacteria per hour. So pause that video and work the problem. Number 10. The table below shows the cost per ounce when purchasing fresh peas. So for 2 ounces it costs $1.50. 4 ounces cost $3. 7 ounces cost $5.25, and 10 ounces cost $7.50. Use the data to determine which graph has a slope that best represents the unit rate. Pause video, work the problem. Number 11. If y varies directly as x, when x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. What does x equal when y equals 15? Pause video. Oh, A is 17, B is 1.6, C is 22.5, and D is 10. So pause that video and work that problem. Number 12. Sal purchased some art supplies and cardstock in order to make greeting cards. The graph below shows the relationship between the number of cards Sal makes and the total cost of materials used to make the cards. Based on the graph, what will be the total cost of making 9 greeting cards? Place your answer in the Google form. Do not include the $sign. Number 13. Which of the equations below represent a situation that is linear but non-proportional? So A is y equals 2x plus 5, B, y equals 2x, C, y equals 5x, and D, y equals 2.5x. And remember, you're looking for linear but not non-proportional. Linear but non-proportional. 14. The graph of a linear function is shown on the coordinate grid. So you notice that line going through -4, 5, and 1, -7.5. What is the y-intercept of the graph of the linear function? Record your answer in your Google form. The formula for this is listed above with the formula chart. Pause the video, answer the question. 15. The table below shows the distance Mr. Kirsch traveled during his vacation to the beach. The time is 8 minutes. The distance is 6. When you have 12 minutes, your distance is 9. You have 16 minutes, your distance is 12. You have 20 minutes, and your distance is 15. So you use the data to determine which graph has a slope that best represents the unit rate. Make sure that you pay attention to the x variable or independent variable and the dependent variable. Pause video, work the problem. Number 16. What is the solution to the system of equations shown below? Place your answer in the Google form without spaces. So the red line is y equals 1/2 x plus 2, that's the equation, and the blue is y equals negative x plus 5. You're looking for the solution to those two graphs. Number 17. The equation y equals 4x represents a proportional relationship. Which table below models the same relationship? So in A, the coordinates are 0, 0, 2, 8, 4, 16, and 6, 24. For B, the coordinates are 0, 0, negative 4, negative 1, negative 8, negative 2, negative 12, negative 3. For C, the coordinates are 0, 0, 4, 1, 8, 2, 12, 3. For D, the coordinates are 0, 0, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8. I guess I need to raise that back up there so you can read the problem again if you need to. Then pause the video, work the problem. Bonus. An elm tree grows 10 inches each year. The graph below shows this proportional relationship. Which statement below best describes the proportional relationship found in the graph? So F, the graph represents y equals 8x, which is a line passing through 0, 0, with a slope of 8. The slope of 8 is the rate of change of the tree each year. The graph represents y equals 5x, which is a line passing through 0, 0, with a slope of 5. The slope of 5 is the rate of change of the tree each year. For H, the graph represents y equals x divided by 5, or x over 5, which is a line passing through 0, 0, with a slope of 1/5, or 1 over 5. The slope of 1/5 is the rate of change of the tree each year. For J, the graph represents y equals 10x, which is a line passing through 0, 0, with a slope of 10. The slope of 10 is the rate of change of the tree each year. Pause the video. Don't forget to check your work, all of your work, all the steps. Show everything that you possibly can. Check it thoroughly. Have a good day. Good luck.